guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do something really nice. This is something that I always love to do. I love to do crafts. So for the information of everybody, I love to do crafts. I haven't shown this in my previous video. My cousin, she was featured in my video, the Pamahinhikan, but she was not the one who was doing the Pamahinhikan. She was in that video. She and her boyfriend is getting married, and I was asked to sponsor for the giveaways. Now, you know, our crafty ideas is working, so I decided to make this is a coffee this is a coffee. It says here, the perfect blend. This is a very simple wedding giveaway idea, and I'd like to share it to you how I did it. It's very simple actually. I just bought these bottles, these jars at Shopee Philippines. It's for 336 pesos. I bought 336 pesos for 24 pieces. That's a box. In a box is 24. I bought 3, but unfortunately, due to some circumstances, unfortunately 4 is broken, so I'm gonna make 60. I'm gonna give her 60 bottles of this. So let's start. I basically just added my favorite native coffee here. I bought for 1/2. It's 300 per kilo, so I got for 60 pieces. I only got 4 packs, so that's around 600 pesos. Cheap, right? I mean, cheap but nice and elegant. Diba? So I added the coffee in the bottle. There's also a sealer, and for the sticker, I just printed out the stickers. This is, I guess, 2 inches. Yeah, this is 2 inches. She measured it, and so I got this. This is 54, but I needed 60, so I printed out 2. So this is only for 35 pesos at my Suki Ziplink Dumaguete. Very cheap, right? It's my Suki, by the way. I recommend them because what I did actually here is I got a template in Pinterest, and then add the labels, Lance and Lisa, on it, and then that's it. Just ask the lady, my friend Manilyn in Ziplink, to cut the perfect size for me. So she did it. I am so grateful for you, Manilyn. Thank you, madam. We will be cutting this thing here, and then is it here? Okay, so that's it. We have to seal it. We're sealing it off before we add the string. 10 meters long. I got this for 60 pesos only. This what is this string? It's an abacus string. Guys, thank you for watching my channel. I hope you learned a lot or something today. Thank you. Bye bye.